Lately I've been feeling strange deep down inside. Something kinda hard to explain, like butterflies. Suddenly I'm longing for the hot stuff. Something inside me tells me this is real. Now I got the vibe, tell me that's the same way you feel for me. So baby, can you fix me? 'Cause my fever's only getting stronger. It's burning like a fire, baby, let's rock the night away. So baby, can you fix me? 'Cause my body's suffering from a hunger. A super strong desire, baby, let's rock the night away. Sitting by the telephone, hoping that you will call. My friends say that I'm crazy, that I'm just wasting my time. But you turn me on, got me longing for the hot stuff. Something inside me tells me this is real. Now I got the vibe, tell me that's the same way you feel for me. Oh yeah. So baby, can you fix me? 'Cause my fever's only getting stronger. It's burning like a fire, baby, let's rock the night away.
Just a little, so no worries, I can fix that. But when we come to this main blade, to show you here, it's a little broken in two places, and I can't fly with this blade anymore. And here underneath, you can see that there's no weight anymore, so definitely I can't fly with this blade. So I have to buy new ones. Sad but true. I hate being right. I just flied this baby at home before I went to field to try my new motor settings. I was a little ambitious to go and try it in a bigger space, but at home I noticed the wind speed was about 17 miles per hour. And I still believed that I could fly this baby in that wind. And I really did. But when the helicopter's nose was down, I tried to get it to lift. But because I flied my helicopter towards the wind gust was so fast that I didn't have a chance to get it upwards. Darn.